Hi, this is John with Signaworks. Today we're here talking about the Signaworks ASTL continuous Andon tower light that we assemble right here in Powell, Ohio. This is the ASTL-110-4, which is a red, amber, green, and blue light with two position selector switches to turn the lights from off to steady on. Each light can be operated independently, so you can have more than one light on at a time. It includes super bright LED with 24 LEDs per light section on the red and yellow, and 18 larger LEDs on the green and blue sections. It has a rugged through-bolt design for extra rigidity in an industrial or commercial environment. It includes a 12-inch pole, a heavy-duty 8-gauge right angle bracket, sealed enclosure, industrial selector switches, and an 8-foot 3-prong power cord. The Andon Light is really a lean manufacturing communication tool used to give a signal for certain conditions or alert people to respond without the operator leaving the area. Each color can designate a different condition, such as call for parts, engineering, quality check, machine down, restroom break, or really whatever you're trying to signal. Beware of cheap Chinese copies who use 2-prong power adapters with thin cables that are not industrial rated and do not meet OSHA standards for 3-prong cords. Our lights are longer, brighter, have a through-bolt design that's stronger and sturdier. We use an 8-gauge mounting brackets versus thin stamped steel from our competitors. All of these things make a big difference. The Signaworks light will last longer and is worth the little extra you pay for American ingenuity and workmanship. We are Signaworks, located in Powell, Ohio. Look for our other Signaworks Andon lights with extended cable or a longer pole to elevate the light for higher visibility. We offer a broad range of industrial signal products, from tower lights, traffic lights, to Audible Alarms. These can all be found at signaworks.com or our web store at signalsonline.com. As we have been since 1995, we're here for any technical or customer service questions you may have. Thanks.